Who understands taxes? They're constantly changing. If you think about the way that it's structured, there's deductions that are constantly changing. There is how much you're paying in, how much you make year to year. The tax code is always getting updated. Death and taxes, they're the only two certainties that people joke around in life. As we look at that sentence and we look at that phrase, we need to better understand how to utilize taxes now so you can also save more in taxes later. There's different strategies that we work through with clients. Number one, most people while they're working and they're saving are in their highest taxable income years. That's when you need to do the most amount of planning, but most people don't have the conversation until after they retire. You need to have the conversation now. If you are retired and you're assuming taxes, you need to look in the future. What are your goals and how do we position that money to achieve those goals? If goals is leaving assets to your children, don't we want to leave them the most efficient after-tax dollars as possible? But we also have to take into consideration then how much they're earning compared to how much you're earning, right? There's different pieces that we have to have the conversation around. The most pressing conversation we're having with clients right now is in 2026, the tax cuts that we saw from a few years ago are set to sunset. Just that simple knowledge of knowing that, in knowing that what is a 12% tax bracket now is going to go to 15. What's an 18% tax bracket now is going to go to 22. That's a 4% difference on your taxes. If you make $100,000 per year, that's a $4,000 tax bill that you're going to see 2 years from now. We need to have these conversations now so you can better prepare your assets to make sure you're being as efficient as possible for any tax changes that are coming in the future.